my baby Anissa, my goddaughter. She's so cute. She's sleeping at the. Oh, she heard her name, I guess. Anissa, say hello. Ayan, do you want to carry Anissa? I caught her smiling. She was smiling earlier on, but I missed it. Is it? Yeah, she was smiling, Ayan. Anissa was smiling. Yeah, we're gonna wake her up. So we are just about leaving Anissa's house. What did you say? Yes, I have. Thank you for having us. This is Daddy Anissa. Daddy Anissa, say hello.
Hello.
Have you vlogged your baby?
Yes, I have.
Subscribe to our channel.
Cover your head. Let me show you.
Yes, please.
Subscribe to our channel. It costs you nothing.
Thank you. You see? You see? Did you guys hear what Daddy Anissa said? And this is Ayan.
I'm gonna miss you, Ayan.
Ayan came to carry Anissa.
Yes, you did, actually.
Anissa, you did it.
Yes, you did, right?
This is the yummy mommy.
Hello.
Yummy mommy.
And thank you so much for coming. You know I'm gonna miss you. It's always love.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks so much for coming. Please, guys, subscribe to our channel.
And our own channel too.
Yes, but please subscribe to my sister channel.
And my other sister
help us grow. And we're going to give you the best of the best of the best of the best.
Yeah.
Yes, please. Your support means a lot, and it's going to encourage us to be putting more videos out. So please, it means a lot to us. Like, subscribe, and comment. All these things count so much. And you can share to your friends and family as well to watch. It doesn't cost. They don't charge anything. It's free of charge. You see, my baby said, please subscribe. I just said, please subscribe to my mom.
Yeah.
And Anissa says that as well.
Anissa too saying, subscribe to my big mommy's channel.
Subscribe to my big mommy's channel.
This is Anissa. She's already sleeping. Oh my gorgeous princess. I don't want to wake her up. Hi guys. I'm in Imran's house. Today is Imran's birthday. His third birthday. So I'm in the Afos family's house.
It's not even standing still.
Hello, where you are, Queen of Yoga.
Imran, stay there. Let's take one more day. Please sing the birthday song. Stay there.
So the boys are
There.
I've finished parties and they're currently doing their release.
Yeah. Please, how can we get a nice sound photo like this? When you go and sit down.
Can we cut the kiss
Sit down. Yes, we're going to cut it. Imran, sit down. Oh, maybe you should carry his cake and take the picture.
Yeah, my birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hip, hip.
Hooray! Hooray!
No, you can't do it. Imran, make a wish.
Happy birthday, Imran! Happy birthday, Booba!
Imran.
You can call him a birthday boy. You call him a birthday boy.
Cause Imran is birthday boy.
Yeah, go and call us.
One for daddy.
Come and sit down. That is part of conversation.
Hi everyone.
Hi, we're in Bluewater.
See, Aziza is becoming we see her almost every
Even
week
that's
now.
why I said when I said my friend is coming today, and you guys, she's already family. Like,
Yeah, like
no introduction. When you already see Aora and Mo,
imagine if we actually live very close. We don't even live that close, but we see almost every week. Not
now.
even almost every week.
Imagine not living near me or me living in your area.
We are in Bluewater. This is my first time
looking for
coming to this
parking.
mall. Everyone has been coming to Bluewater, and I've always been hearing Bluewater Mall, and so I'm here now.
Big. I think this person is going.
Okay, we're looking for parking. Yeah, he's leaving.
I think someone else wants to park there.
Oh, we lost that. Hey, let's look for another one.
I don't know if that guy is going. Let me ask him. Let me just. Sorry. Yeah, man. You have to look for
Finding a parking space is always difficult.
Almost impossible.
That is why I'm not in a hurry to be driving, to be honest. There's so many pros and cons of
Loads
driving
of advantage and disadvantage.
disadvantages. So,
but the fact that I think it's free, we don't have to pay for anything. Okay, that one is waiting for.
no parking space.
I don't know if these people are going now or not. Excuse me, are you going now? The parking here is crazy, man. People are actually looking for parking.
So we are in Bluewater shopping
Look at how
mall.
yours looks still brighter. Vloggy.
Vlog. Yeah.
Vloggy. So,
This is Marks and Spencer's entrance.
oh right, please remind me. You will be by you. Talk to Fara Fara money.
That's true.
Christmas is coming.
It's the season.
It's nice though, with the bag.
Yeah.
It goes well. A nice picture.
Yeah. It really looks
Nice. But wait, is this the same bag though?
It's,
I think it's different.
it's actually the same.
It's not.
Oh,
No, look at the chain. No,
so yours is
it's
different.
different. I like that color, but I have it in. I have bag in this color. This one looks so nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's very nice. I don't want to show people's face. Yeah. It is nice. Come and look.
So I'm in the home section of their primer, and I'm looking for some things that I can use for my background. These are very beautiful. When did I yeah, I think I'm going to go for this one. So beautiful, the three of them. It's okay. In a world where you can be anything but kind, this is it. I don't know if I'm going to see exactly like my bag. This is my one, and I got that one in Bista Village. price on this one. For some reasons, there's no price on this one.
Let me check about.
169. I really don't like it, but I'm just showing you. Yeah. This is nice. I don't know how much is in the bag. That's actually not bad. For that cuteness. Yeah. I haven't seen one that I like yet. I don't like this one because I don't know. I think it's because of the logo. It's too big for me. I'm coming. Okay. £62. That one's not bad. Let me just check the price tag of this one for you. 130. Yeah, I know. Ah. You know, in Italy, we only wear boots. Yeah? Come. I love this. I used to have something like this. 219. And this is equally not bad. basically saw one bag from the window and we couldn't resist.
It's like the same shape of this one.
It's so portable and I love small bags like that. So we are checking if they have other colors online.
Oh,
Wow, that's so cute.
like
This is cute.
so that's the only color you have here.
This is not black, but it looks black. It's navy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my god, I'm so glad.
Thank you so much. Oh, you see this girl? She's not nice. I'm the one that saw the bag. She's the one that get it.
I stole it from you. I've not fallen in love with Wasabi now because of Aziza. We were starving, so we had to something.